came home during a storm, found a tree laying across my roof, water cascading in. After getting it patched, I asked a few friends for roofing company recommendations. I was recommended to Artisan by multiple people, and it was one of the best decisions I ever made for my home. They covered the insurance portion of things, which was the biggest headache, and ended up getting my roof approved for a full repair, and they made it right again. The work was excellent. I'm so happy with the finished product. I recommend Artisan to anybody who's looking for any roof repairs. After contacting Artisan, they sent out Corey, who was a representative who did an immediate inspection of the property. He documented all the details and was quick to contact insurance. Really held their feet to the fire and got the repairs done. The scheduling time for Artisan was extremely fast. They had a quick turnaround time. Between the time I had reached out to Artisan for assistance and the time they sent a customer service representative over to the house was within days. Even from there, when Artisan had to report back to insurance and to coordinate the repair schedule, it was fast. It occurred in a few weeks as well. The delivery time for the materials was within a couple days, and after that, the finished product for the roof looked amazing. I was extremely impressed with the Artisan crew. They were able to get the roof repairs done in a day. They were super diligent. They worked quickly. The cleanup after the final product was finished, there was no nails laying around, there was no debris. They did an excellent cleanup and left my home looking the way they came. If you're struggling with the insurance process after experiencing storm damage on your roof, I would reach out to Artisan Building and Remodeling today.